Here's the answer for day 3. Determine if the relationship is a function by writing yes or no, and then justify your answer. Give a reason. So in question A, we have a relationship between two numbers. The numbers are shown using parentheses to indicate ordered pairs. When you have ordered pairs, it's common to think of the variables as x and y. When x is 2, y equals 5. When x is 3, y equals 8. When x is 4, y equals 8. When x is 7, y equals 10. Is this relationship called a function? The answer is yes. The reason why the answer is yes is because this satisfies the definition of what a function is. So let's review that definition. A function is a relationship between two numbers, x and y, such that each x value is paired with exactly one y value. So we want to check to see in this relationship, is each x value paired with exactly one y value? The x value of 2 is paired with a y value of 5. 5 is the only y value ever paired with 2. The x value of 3 is paired with a y value of 8. And as you look elsewhere in the list, there's no other time where x is 3 and another y value is paired with it. The x value of 4 is only paired with the y value of 8. There's no other ordered pair that's 4 comma something else. And the x value of 7 is paired with 10. So yes, this is a relationship because each x value is paired with exactly one y value. Now the next one's going to help us make more sense of that definition. Again, we have a relationship. It has 4 ordered pairs in it. When x is -1, the y value paired with it is 6. When x is 3, the y value is 4. But here when x is 3, the y value is 5. This is not a function because of this right here. The x value of 3 is not paired with exactly one y value. An x value of 3 gets paired with 4 and with 5. So the answer is no, because x equals 3 is paired with y equals 4 and y equals 5. Question C. This time we have a relationship between two numbers x and y, but instead of ordered pairs, we have an equation. To decide if this is a function, we need to think about the definition. A function is a relationship where each x value is paired with exactly one y value. Let's solve this equation for y by subtracting the x squared to the other side. We have y squared equals 4 minus x squared. Then to get y alone, we will do what's called a square root. But hopefully you remember from algebra class that when you take a square root, there are actually two roots, a positive root and a negative root. So y equals the positive or negative square root of 4 minus x squared. From this version of the equation, we can more easily see that y is going to take on two different values for each x value that you use. For instance, when x is 0, we would have 4 minus 0, which is 4. The square root of 4 is 2, but then the positive and negative sign means there are two answers, positive 2 or negative 2. When x is 0, y is positive 2 or it's negative 2. Two different y values go with that x value. So our answer was no, it's not a function. And the reason is because there are two y values for each x value. Now question D. The equation is y equals 12x. This one is a function because it satisfies the definition of a function. For any number you choose for x, you will only get one y value paired to that x value. For instance, if x was 1, then y is 12. Or when x is 2, y is 24. There's not some other number that y is equal to when x is 2. Only the number 24 is paired with the x value of 2. So our reasoning is each x value is paired with exactly one y value.